Hello, my name is Randy Mansfield with the Continental Tool Group. I'd like to introduce to you the Universal Tool UT8720-20, another dependable MRO quarter-inch die grinder for daily use. This unit is powered by a 0.7 horsepower motor, giving it an edge over most competitors in its class. Running at 20,000 RPM, it's built for consistent power. It features composite grip housing, a rear exhaust to keep air away from your work, and internal silencing that holds noise to just 79 decibels. At 1.47 pounds and 6.6 inches long, it balances comfort and durability. The UT8720-20 proves that extra horsepower makes the difference in tough MRO applications.